The Frolic Bird team made a trip to Egypt to experience in reality the Sustainable Development Community that was created by Sekem Holding Company in Egypt in 1977. We've seen the process of biodynamic farming live and how the Sekem team has been applying such farming methods according to the superior sophisticated global standards. We've also experienced for the first time what's so-called the EOL, the Economy of Love, which is the Sekem holistic and integrated standards of the ultimate level of sustainable development best practices. On our way to the forum to experience live Sekem Sustainable Development Community. Sekem Guest House, where we had our stay. Sekem Farms. Nature Tech's factory for certified biodynamic Egyptian cotton. Lotus Factory for organic herbs and spices. Sekem Hospital. Sekem schools that apply the Waldorf German educational curriculum according to the Egyptian culture and environment. Sekem Vocational Training Centers for smithing and carpenting. Heliopolis University for Sustainable Development. Sekem Wahat Farms with the biodynamic farming method. Solar panels as an integral part of the biodynamic farming method. Pivot irrigation system. Organic compost and cow manure. Biodynamic Egyptian cotton farm. The ranches and the animals in Sekem Farm. The cultural aspect. Sekem Nightlife. EOL, the Economy of Love. The global holistic certification for the sustainable supply chain step-by-step process created by Sekem team. And it includes the pillars of sustainable development: culture, society, environment, and economy. The benefits of an Economy of Love certification. The certification process. Transparency, step by step. The impact on people and the environment. Fair economy, fair society, well-being, environment. The value chain step-by-step process. farming, ever since farming. You can meet the farmers. The processing and manufacturing of your product. The sieving and finishing step of the manufacturing process. Certified packaging for your product. Distribution of your product. Meet the employees. Know the exact price of manufacturing your product. Know the impact on the climate change. And know the impact on the water scarcity. Know all the hidden costs in details. See the location of the farms and the factory. The Frolic Bird, in sustainability we trust.